When it comes to digital marketing, few things are important as the tools digital marketers rely on to get their jobs done. These include everything from social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to analytics tools like Google Analytics. Allowing marketers to create, test, and measure the performance of their campaigns, digital marketing tools ensure that marketers can launch and test campaigns quickly and effectively. But what are some of those secret digital marketing tools that those rich corporations use? Today, we're going to unveil that. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to go over the top 3 digital marketing tools you must try in 2022. Make sure to also check out the links to sign up on these platforms in the description down below. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 3. Kajabi. When it comes to making online courses, Kajabi is a top choice. Kajabi's integrated tools make it easy to design, advertise, sell, and distribute e-learning content. Kajabi's primary hub also houses a robust website builder with inbuilt blogging features, in addition to the course builder. A custom domain is also available. Kajabi works with popular payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, giving you full ownership of your money. Kajabi provides top-tier tools for email marketing, a quick and customizable website landing page builder, and sales pipeline generation with minimal effort. Kajabi also provides a robust analytics command room for tracking various metrics of your online course, a CRM for collecting customer insight, and a Kajabi app for your mobile learning Kajabi users. Pros and cons of Kajabi. Pros: all-in-one platform with online course creation and marketing tools. Themes built-in and customizable. Kajabi is available as an iOS app as well as an Android app. Diverse learning and teaching tools. You can create a website completely from scratch. Helps you market your course. As a member site, you can have discussions and forums. 24/7 customer support and live chat. Cons. The site interface can be confusing for those who are used to WordPress. It is possible to operate an affiliate program using the Growth and Pro plans. You can't do it with the basic package. There is no way to manage multiple clients from one platform. The credit for education courses are not certain. Number 2. Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is a comprehensive learning program with low, medium, and high-ticket products for marketers, aspiring marketers, and entrepreneurs. Mr. David Sharp, who has over $200 million in internet sales in his career, creates it. Legendary Marketer provides a number of tools and resources that both new and seasoned marketers may utilize in the short and long term. Legendary Marketer training includes a wide range of internet marketing topics, including Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing strategies, lead generation. It incorporates the concept of affiliate marketing, which allows you to earn money while learning. Despite the fact that the premise of affiliate marketing is nearly identical to that of the other platforms, Legendary Marketer takes a unique turn, twists, and approach to online entrepreneurship. Legendary Marketer's courses are all excellent and incredibly educational in their own fields of expertise. Anyone can profit from these classes, including experienced marketers, entrepreneurs, and startup owners who can use this platform to improve their approaches, methods, and strategies. Pros and cons of Legendary Marketer. Pros: great onboarding with the free 15-day challenge. Amazing affiliate backend. Passively earn ClickFunnels commissions while promoting Legendary Marketer. Get help and support from your own personal business coach. Weekly webinar replays in the Marketers Club. Legendary Marketer's products are constantly being updated. No affiliate poach required. Once you've brought someone in, they are your lead for life. Very responsive customer support. Some decent training before the upsells. Cons: there is no assurance of acceptance into the affiliate program. A plethora of costly upsells. When you join, the whole cost of implementing the program is not disclosed. Number 1. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, founded in 2014 by Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson, is the world's most popular and frequently used piece of sales funnel software. In fact, Brunson is frequently credited with popularizing the term funnel. Brunson, the CEO, approached Dickerson, the lead developer, after becoming dissatisfied with the market's present offerings. Brunson was running a supplement company at the time and was attempting to upsell to his consumers. To do anything remotely close to what he wanted with his funnels, he needed hugely expensive software, a lot of developer time, and a variety of tools. Brunson, a solopreneur at the time, reasoned that there had to be a better method and began imagining what a drag-and-drop funnel builder might look like. He pitched the idea to a few coders, but none said they could accomplish it. Dickerson, on the other hand, stated that he was willing to give it a shot. And with that, the marketing industry was permanently altered. Today, ClickFunnels is a $100 million to $200 million a year company with 100,000 active users. The capabilities that ClickFunnels comes with right out of the box are one of the reasons for its success. It allows users to easily create landing pages using a simple drag-and-drop builder. But, more crucially, it comes with a library of pre-built and templated funnel components, allowing you to swiftly construct sales funnels that convert. Simply update some text, add a few visuals for your own products, and you're ready to start selling. Furthermore, using one-click upsells, users may effortlessly add more things to their shopping carts. This is a significant advantage that allows marketers to provide additional goods and services to their clients while they are still using their credit cards. Aside from that, ClickFunnels includes a suite of marketing tools, such as email funnel follow-up, SMS sending, and Facebook marketing automation. With an easy-to-understand dashboard, you can instantly view all of your metrics in a funnel. Pros and cons of ClickFunnels. Pros: drag-and-drop landing page builder. Split testing landing pages is straightforward. Helps make you more money. Lots of integration options. Quite good customer service. All-in-one sales funnel builder. Cons: quite expensive for new businesses. Too simplistic for some people. Software downtime. Final thoughts. Whether you're learning how to build a sales funnel, handle email marketing, or create and sell online courses, picking software to sell your products and services is crucial. But don't get bogged down by all of the possibilities. Remember that there will always be new and exciting software to try. However, no software will tackle the most difficult challenge of all: getting started. It is far more vital to select a good enough solution and actually launch your business than it is to have the best software but nothing to sell or do with it. So, which digital marketing tool or software is your favorite? And why is that? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Any questions about the softwares covered in this video can also be asked in the comments section. We would definitely get back to you. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.